Hi everyone, my name is Carly and this is my channel Sewscape, where I am all about sewing. I love sewing. It is my newfound passion. Ever since the lockdown, I learned to sew. I had an injury right before, I guess, things locked down. And so I've been off work for a little while, and the only thing that I found that got me going in the morning and made me feel really great was sewing. So it has become such a passion of mine over the past couple of years, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So I sew mostly from the Berta Style magazine, which I love. Oh my goodness. There are so many amazing resources out on YouTube for different content creators that are so amazing and really kind of talked me through Berta, and I'm hoping to kind of do the same and kind of share what I love about the magazine with all of you guys. So every so often I sew something that isn't from Berta, but I try kind of every week to sew something. So I just got my Happy Berta mail today and I cannot wait. Spring sewing is one of my favorite things to do. So let's take a peek at what I am planning to sew. So first off, as I'm flipping through the magazine here, this gorgeous dress right here. So this is dress 115. It's in sizes 17 to 21, which is the petite size range. For me, I do have a shorter bodice, or I have to shorten it by about an inch to get the waist right. So petite should fit pretty good. I hope I don't have to make too many adjustments because I'm not great at those. But normally Berta patterns fit me really well out of the packet. As I'm looking at the photo here, it looks like it fits pretty standard, and I don't think, you know, if it ends up a little high-waisted, that's okay. I'm here for it. And then on the next page, right here, there are these shorts, which are a high-waisted pair of shorts, which I think are so cute. The weather has been so terrible this whole spring, so I've been in tights and pants and no bare legs, so I can't wait to sew something up for when the weather finally gets warm. And maybe I'll look and see. I'll show you fabrics maybe as I go along. Just one sec. Alrighty, I am back. So for that first cute little dress, this is the fabric I'm thinking about using. This is a thrifted duvet cover that I got just at my local Value Village, which is amazing. It's mostly cotton. It does have a little bit of a polyester content to it, which is, I guess it'll hold up in the wash. But my husband's birthday is coming up, and I think that dress made in this print will be so cute. The back side of the duvet cover is actually this stripe. So I wonder if you can see here, if there's any way I could do some stripe play with that kind of center front seam and have some like chevron patterns happening. That might be pretty cute. Or I might play it safe and just go with the floral pattern. Whenever it's floral and it's bed sheets, I'm like, will people know that I'm wearing a bed sheet? I don't know. I think it'll be still cute either way. And then for those little shorts, it's gonna be a tough choice between these two. So the first one that I have is almost like a cotton sheeting, and it's bottom weight, but it's not too heavy. It's this lovely navy color, which is nice. I'm starting to build up a few navy clothes in my wardrobe, so we will see about that. But the runner-up for the shorts fabric would be this green cotton twill. And this one is heavier weight, and I have a ton of it. So I wonder if I should save this for pants, or if I would have enough to make pants and shorts out of it. But what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below whether you prefer the green twill or the blue kind of cotton fabric. And both of these actually were thrifted too, from the same thrift store. Alrighty, and so next on the list this super cute tank top here, which I love. And it has a little ruching detail in the front. And that will be so cute. The only thing I worry about is it looks like it has a jersey binding around the shoulders and neckline, which I've only done once before. And I'm not great at it yet, but I guess maybe this is a sewing opportunity to learn how to do that. Maybe watch a couple of YouTube videos. And so the fabric that I'm thinking for this one, I just have this black jersey and it's really nice, really stretchy. I think it'll be super comfortable and go with my entire wardrobe. And I think it might even be okay if I wore something over top of it to wear to work. It looks like, yeah, super cute wardrobe staple that I would wear for years and flattering with a little ruching. So that is so cute. And then next on the list would be this shirt dress right here, dress 101. And it is so cute. So it goes straight to the knee and it looks like it has snaps instead of buttons, but realistically, I'm a button fiend. Every time I go into a store, I have to buy buttons. So I have so many that I'd love to show off. So I think instead of doing the snaps, I'll end up doing buttons instead. But it has a super flattering pleated waistline, which I love to make. I love a big full skirt too, you know. And so for that, I have this beautiful, this is actually a thrifted bed sheet as well, of course, through the wash. And it's this lovely purple color, 100% cotton, so it'll press really nice. And I think that'll be beautiful, classic, very springy, ready to wear to a barbecue, even to work, you know? So that is that. And then I was flipping through, I just saw this is another version of the shorts, which is so cute. It really shows off with the stripes, the high-waisted. I cannot wait to make these, but I think I'll make them a little bit closer to the end of the month because, you know, it is gonna be cold here still for a bit, I think. But who knows, sometimes the weather just changes like that. Yeah, let's talk about some honorable mentions. Let's see here. Yeah, the styling in the magazine has gotten so good lately. I know they kind of changed their format before. I think it was last issue or maybe the issue before. I was thinking of this top right here, this blouse 111. And it's cute, and it's a version of a shirt dress in the magazine. It is just kind of cropped shorter, and it has this kind of integrated tie front detail, which I love. Like, how beautiful is this photo shoot? I love it. So stunning. Makes me so excited for summertime. Oh, so beautiful. Right on. And these cute pants. I've been sewing a lot of pants lately, so I'm telling myself I have to cool it on the pants. Maybe sew a few more skirts and shorts to go for the warmer weather. Yes, good, good, good. And so the featured sewing lesson for this magazine is this Leafless Dress here. So it's the shirt dress I plan on sewing, but this one has a ruffle down the front, which is such a cute detail. I just don't know if it's super classic and will last a long time in my wardrobe, but I love a good ruffle. I love sewing a ruffle. So there's really lovely instructions in here. For the magazine, they can be pretty scarce for instructions, but you know, there's always, I think, 2 patterns that they put in every magazine that have full illustrations, full instructions that are amazing, which is lovely. This is the shirt dress. That is the shirt that is shortened. How cute is that? I love it. I would make this too. I would have 100 shirt dresses in my wardrobe if I could, but it wouldn't be sustainable, you know? Yes, I love all the bright colors in here. So beautiful. Good. And then they have a styling section here, which is so lovely. Look at all the ways they've styled this skirt that is in the issue. So beautiful. Yes, and then they have a few just little crafty. I feel in the past couple months, the crafts have gotten way better. Not that I do a ton, but every one of us sewers have our scraps somewhere and we can put it to good use doing this. Yes, so I can't wait to get started sewing and make my makes for May. My magazine came a little bit late this month, so I'm a bit behind, but I'm sure I'll make it up. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would be amazing. This is my first video, so I hope someone out there sees it, someone that loves sewing as much as I do. And yes, have the best rest of your day and talk soon. Bye-bye.